The power of an Android device at your fingertips, right in your browser, with no installations and just one click. myAndroid is an online emulator that turns any screen into an Android world. In this video, we'll show you how to use this innovative tool in less than 2 minutes. First, head to the official myAndroid website at myandroid.org. Once there, select the option to start the emulator. Choose the configuration that best suits your needs. You can adjust the Android version, screen resolution, and other specifications to customize your experience. With just one click, the Android environment will start loading directly in your browser. From here, you can explore apps, set up your Google account, and even access the Play Store to download the apps you want. Whether you want to test an app, play a game, or conduct development tests, myAndroid offers you a smooth and complete experience. Ready to experience Android from any device? Visit myandroid.org today and discover everything you can do with this online emulator. It's easy, fast, and accessible. All of Android, with no limits.